In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a full-time income with simple apps and surveys. Now, I know that this isn't a sexy thing. I know this isn't a sexy idea of how to make money, but I'm going to show you how a lot of people are now using apps from their phone and filling out surveys to make a full-time income. If this is something that you like, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you like the video. Alright, we're going to jump in here. This is a Reddit all about app installs, all about how to make some beer money. Obviously, the subreddit is beer money. And in this particular subreddit post right here, this guy details his monthly earnings from all these different apps right here. If you want my personal list of the top 30 apps and surveys to take, I have a website here that shows you my recommendations for the top 30 apps that generate me money. In this particular one, he goes through Swagbucks, Earning Station, Perk, My Points, Rewardables. There's a ton of them. And for the month of December, this guy generated almost $1,500. Now, I know that that's not a killing, but you know, that is kind of a full-time income. For me personally, I like to be around the $2,000 a month range. But depending if you're single and you're living by yourself, $1,500 is a great income. And by the way, this is kind of a down month for him. In the month of November, he made almost $2,000. In the month of October, he's creeping up on the $1,800. I think this is August. He's almost at $2,200. So he's making a lot of money from doing this exactly. So this isn't from referrals either. He has a line here that's saying his referral earnings, and he's making okay money here, but this isn't a crazy amount of money that he's making from referrals. He's making his money from actually doing this, and he's got a list here of 30, 40 different ways that he makes money. And as you can see, he doesn't do all of this every single month, right? And it starts to add up. Well, you got $25 here from My Points and $78. That all starts to add up. And it doesn't take a whole lot of time to do a lot of these surveys. Say this Survey Savvy or whatever, he might only did 1 or 2 surveys from this company, and that's all he did for the month. So as you can see with credit card sign-up bonus, he signed up for maybe 1 or 2 credit cards in this month, but he didn't make any money the rest of the year from that. And as you can see down here, there's a bunch of different programs that he did maybe in the beginning of the year, but he no longer does. So maybe it's just a slow month, and all this little stuff here, it all starts to nickel and dime up here, right? So how can you do this, right? How can you generate a full-time income from doing this? Well, as I said, go check out my list of the top 30 ways that I make money through apps and surveys. Another way that I make a much better way is through referrals, right? So this guy is actually doing it himself, but why not maximize your income and get other people to sign up underneath you? All these programs here all have referrals, right? So what I've done is I've created a Facebook group dedicated to making money from your phone, right? And in the last 24 to 48 hours, I have been able to generate about 100 people into this Facebook group, right? And how did I do that? Well, I have a list here of a bunch of make money online groups, and I post a post in these groups trying to funnel them into my particular Facebook group, right? So here's one from Apps That Make You Money. All I did was I posted this post here. I will be releasing my personal list of 30 plus apps that can make you over $1,000 a month. Type yes if you want it. Well, I got 114 people to comment that yes, they wanted that. And all I did was I replied to each one of them, and I put my personal Facebook group in here. Here it is, go get it. And then I just put it in a bit.ly. And that way, you're not promoting your group in another group, which might, ruffle some feathers. So here's another one where I'm signing up for free referrals, only in the United States. My personal Facebook group, because of the referrals I want to get them from the United States. As you can see here, it's already generated 18 comments, and I did the exact same thing. I'm just replying to them, and I'm telling them, hey, go to, for the details, go to here. So they click on this, and this is going to take them directly to my Facebook group, right? And then from there, I have a list. Here's a list of the top blah blah blah, and in the comment is just a simple blogspot blog that they can get that list from, and it's the exact same list that I'm giving to you. So that's how I generate $50 to $100 every single day using simple app installs. If you like this video, again, please give it a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.